Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a dragon eye. First I start with a base of eye. Then I draw the pupil, then the iris. After that, I did the highlights around the eye and in the pupil, also in the iris. For the highlights, I drew them lightly so it can be erased later on. After the highlights, I drew the scales. Then I start filling in the colors. I noticed that the whole eye has a leaf shape, so you can draw some random leaves around the whole eye. When I start filling in the color, I did a lighter shade of yellow on top of the eye and did a darker shade on the bottom. I did completely black in the middle and I did the red spikes around the iris. Now for the scale. I took a dark green color and traced around the borders. Then I took lighter green color and did the inside. So that way it looks much better than plain green color. After I was done with the scales, I bordered everything with a black Sharpie, and then you're done. After I was done with the scale, I took a light pink color and drew the veins inside of the eye. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that as well.